Hi, I'm Carol Varano, Senior Director of Customer Enablement and Documentation. Our training team offers monthly webinars on each of our products. This is a great way for both users and administrators to refresh on current functionality, but also learn about functionality and features that your organization might not yet have adopted. So you can check out our webinar events calendar in the Success Center. Topics change on a regular basis. You can earn CPE for many of our webinars. Each webinar is recorded, and those recordings are also made available in the Success Center, so you can view those at your convenience. Our accreditation workshops are a great way for administrators to deep dive into features and functionality on Trintech's products. These are virtually held multi-day workshops, and they're a combination of instructor-led training and hands-on demonstration. Administrators learn best practices, tips from other customers, as well as just an opportunity to refresh on existing features, as well as learn about features that maybe your organization is not yet utilizing. Administrators can register for our accreditation courses in the events calendar in the Trintech Success Center.